Welcome to GQUAT Traditions. Today is January 2nd, 2026. This is my first entry for WIG 2025 Grow-Off. Enjoy the grow-along. Okay. Today I'm starting my WIG 2025. I have gotten some ginger up there. I'm chitting some potatoes. I'm growing things that take a long time here in Connecticut 6B. Here is some sage seeds, Jamaican sorrel, lettuce, lemon balm, 2 packs, a bunch of Scotch bonnets, some type of little fancy peppers that will look good, Poblanos, and some other little hot spicy tomatoes. Peppers. Oh, duh. So I will put them in my hydroponics, and when they sprout, what I plan to do is put them in little pots and use my hydroponic lights. So hold on, stay tuned, and watch me get them planted.